Speaking of five, we got 5 left to go. Friday night, and Colt Dunkelberg is the final one of NTC. Let's go to Miami at Dickinson State University, treated him very well. Back to the end of September. All around Campbell, back it down against the cinch. And that is one of the folks that are our proud exclusive apparel sponsor. Besides reputation, Essence makes them the #1 choice for those who live and breathe the Western of real life. And you're looking at a young man, rodeo man, who's shaking it up and strikes the green to go to work. He's still running. Lincoln, you can try to run. You don't have to look at the time, you just have to look at the replay. And you want to see the grit and determination of every one of these Cowboys and Cowgirls who is on that ball. He's going to throw himself down. He's going to throw the steer down. We're going to finish it strong. Right to the very end. And with one big hoorah, he says hello and goodbye to Nebraska. 18-5. It's going to be in the number 6 spot right now. We'll see how anything can change as ICCC and Jesse Vesterman comes into play. Top 10 man in the street racing, top 10 in the all-around side of the Great Plains region. Walked down to North Plain in the big morning. Checked off the first rodeo of the fall at River Falls, Wisconsin. The weight champ has won. And that situated him up to finish out the regular season in the springtime here in Husker Country. New leader will come. Slow down. He's in. Oh, well, you can flash down right above the Twin Creek Ranch banner. It was getting a little towards what we've lost the last 2 right there. Whenever that Sar's going to bump him over. It's looking good until we turn him into an acrobat for a moment. We have a staring contest. The 500-pound steer. Unfortunately, somebody has to be the one of the minor. And tonight it's going to be the steer. The break the streak, Southeast Community College, Kim Fuss is ready to go as a time 5 Great Plains Region steer wrestler. He's walking the box 2 away for a trip to the College National Flowers Rodeo. Walked out of his mark, North Dakota, seat number 2, reserve champion side. Watched him split number 1 spot at the Mid-Plains Community College Stampede with the number 1 all-around name, the hero of the steer, which you watched earlier on the airback picture. Focusing on his main event right now, the big boys. A little help, Kirsten's Midwest Outlaw, Craig Cook, Real Lynch Well. We turn it over to what needs to be 7-3 or faster to take it away from the mountain Friday night. Big man in blue, let's go. And being top 5, how about a pair of 5s? 5.5 to a new leaderboard. Hello, new number 1 of Husker Country. And speaking of 5, we got 5 left to go. Friday night, and Colt Dunkelberg is the final one of NTC. Let's go to Miami at Dickinson State University, treated him very well. Back to the end of September. All around Campbell, back it down against the cinch. All around Saddle walking out with Lincoln, Nebraska to Varnado. So 71 takes in the lead, and our gold partner of Roe Ranch and Berkshire Hathaway take a stand right now. final 3 Fairbanks riders of the night. And he says, let's do it. Oh, he tried to do him dirty for the first jump. Big jump out there, that little vein is going to bury his nose inside the Sand Hills Global Event Center. Get him a little bit of Nebraska dirt in the nostrils right there. He's going to stay center. Now, here's the deal. He is qualified right now. However, there's an orange flag comes into play, so we have to ask you, Lincoln, who would like to see that young man go one more time tonight and take the odds of the rerun? I believe he is going to be saying it because here's the important part. He walks into Lincoln sitting number 5. He's got to get into that number 3 mark to get the trip to the College National Finals. And this is the final chance of it right now. Before I introduce you to the next gentleman ready to go, I'm going to introduce you to the 2 down below upon riding horses. Escorting that Rocket Buzz Rodeo Bucking horse to the 4th Western out of the gate is 2 of the very best in the pickup man in the world, Mr. Cody Hollenbeck, Mr. Clint Wilson. Their job is to escort cowboys and bucking stock safely each and every mile. And they do so efficiently every time we welcome them into the arena. For the reride on Wheel of Lonely, that leads to and the Danger 2025 Cherry County Rodeo Princess. And another very special lady that joins us here. We say thank you to Kennedy Lineberg, the 2025 Miss Nebraska Cowgirl Queen, working on selling those raffle tickets across the way. Thank you so much.